How to place an order on Shein. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can place an order on Shein. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up the Shein. There, what you want to do is once you're logged in, you want to head over to the particular item that you wish to purchase. Now here I'll just go ahead and open this up. Open up the product that you wish to buy, and then you can simply add it to your cart. You can see the add to cart option. You can select the quantity, and then you can simply tap on add to cart. So once you have added to cart, you can simply head over to your cart and select the option that you wish to check out currently, and then tap on checkout. Once you tap on checkout, it'll ask you to enter in your shipping address and various other details and make the payment, and you can go ahead and place the order once you have added this. So this way you can order on Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.